I was admitted to the bar in 1985, some 27 years ago, and for about 25 of those years, I've been practicing workers' compensation law. The majority of that has been representing injured workers, and this is my favorite thing to do. When someone comes to our firm and is either on workers' compensation or has been denied it, I feel that we can give them the best advice and the best representation that they deserve. Many people who don't hire an attorney find themselves floundering, taken advantage by insurance companies. And the thing that I love about it is if you hire a workers' compensation attorney, specifically someone like me who has as much experience in this business as I do, I can help you get the upper hand on these insurance companies. We've been litigating cases in the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania for a number of years, all over various judges and with a lot of success. So if you come to us, your workers' compensation claim, which may seem complicated to you, will not seem so to us. And I think we can give you the advice and the representation and put it on the right track for a good resolution.